Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Ramin Sayar. He's the CEO of Sumo Logic to discuss cloud management and how consumer demand has changed since the pandemic. It's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
And it's been a while since the Sumo Logic IPO. What is the latest from the company and what brings you back to New York?
Well, obviously today is not just about the commencement and recognition of what we did here 2 years ago virtually, but it's also a testament to kind of what lies ahead. You know, over the last couple of years, all of us have been impacted by COVID in the way we work. What's happened now over the last 6 to 9 months is organizations and companies are fundamentally transforming again, investing in digital transformation to be able to modernize their business, to be able to ultimately delight customers. And that's what Sumo has been doing for well over a decade. We've built a platform to help our customers deliver reliable, but also secure digital applications and services.
Sumo Logic is down more than 50% since its IPO 2 years ago. And granted, it's been a volatile market for everyone. Is this just a speed bump for Sumo Logic?
Well, I think it's, all these market changes that happen. What's interesting, if you look back at them, those who continue to invest through them are the ones that biggest value that's delivered to shareholders as well as employees and customers. And that's what we've been focused on. Over the last year and so, since we went public, we've been investing quite a bit in not only our innovation, our platform, but also making that value that much better for our customers. So yes, while the market circumstances are such that it's down, we are still focused on the long term, which is delivering shareholder value, deriving efficient growth, and our path to break even and profitability.
And Ramin, what's your thoughts on the Sumo Logic share price taking some big declines in the past year?
Well, like all of us, you don't like to look at that ticker all the time, but you have to remember what's really important. If you stick to what you know and the value that we deliver, ultimately that will drive the share price up and that will delight everyone.
What is Sumo Logic doing to prepare for the economic downturn and slowed growth? Is consumer demand changing since the pandemic?
I think consumer demand may be changing in some other aspects. We have not seen that in our business. And it's important to remember, a recent CIO survey has highlighted that digital transformation, cloud and security spending are the top 3 priorities, even when there's these downturns. And what Sumo provides is a single continuous intelligence platform that's helping organizations of all sizes be able to deliver reliable and secure cloud applications, which ties to their business, which ties to their revenue goals, which ties to their customer satisfaction needs, right? And so I think what we're seeing is a shift back towards that, even though that there's a concern about the macroeconomic circumstance.
How many new customers were added last quarter? Are current customers spending more with Sumo Logic?
So we have over 2,400 customers and they span enterprises globally. And what's common across all of them is the need to be able to build reliable and secure services and these digital experiences that we talk about. And those experiences necessitate a single platform, we refer to as our continuous intelligence platform, to be able to power these users.
And finally, Ramin, we've heard from your competitors, but what is your competitive edge?
I think it's pretty clear. We've been in business for well over a decade, and we're founded from a foundation of true SaaS and analytics to ultimately be able to take the guesswork out of what practitioners have to do every single day so they can spend more time doing what they love. Writing code, deploying code, making sure it's secure. So ultimately, they can actually experience a lot of those digital application services themselves and spend more time doing what they love outside of work.
All right, Ramin, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks for having me.